Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to log into your Signal app. Open your Signal app, and since we are logging into an existing account, we will tap on Restore or Transfer. If you are still logged into your Signal account from other device, then tap on I have my old phone. But if you are not logged into any Signal account from any of the devices, then tap on I don't have my old phone. If you have previously saved any backup files, then tap on Backup, but if you have not, then simply tap on Skip Restore. And here you have to enter the phone number with which you were registered while creating the account. Enter the phone number and tap on Next. And then you have to enter the verification code that will be sent in your mobile number. Once you enter the verification code, you have to enter your PIN. The PIN is different from the verification code that you receive in your phone. PIN is the same as your password that you use while creating your account. And on this page, you will be shown your first name and last name. Tap on Next. And now you have successfully logged into your Signal account. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.